Minister of Education, Adamu, has announced the results of the just concluded National Common Entrance Examination, NCEE, with 24,416 candidates scaling through, scoring a minimum of 66. Adamu, who announced the results at a news conference in Abuja on Monday, November 16, said that the total carrying capacity of the 110 Unity colleges, which stood at 26,625, had added additional 720 slots. He said that the overall best student is Ume Onyagu Crucifixio, an indigene of Anambra, who scored 199 out of 200. He said that Onwamanam Udochukwu from Imo scored 198, and Aderemilekun Salam from Ogun scored 197. As has been the tradition for decades, the admission criteria include 60% on merit, 30% based on state representation in the Unity colleges, and the remaining 10% covers other sundry considerations. Consequently, in this year's admission, the 60% merit-based admission will come first, followed by the 30% equality of states and 10% discretion. I have therefore directed that within 72 hours of the receipt of the results, all principals are to complete both the merit-based 60% and the 30% of equity of states admission. The selection meeting to be held at a designated date and venue will deal with the shopping and swapping of candidates to meet the 30% state representation as much as possible, Adamu said. The minister directed the selection committee to adhere strictly to the COVID-19 protocols by following the carrying capacity of each school without exception. According to him, this will help to avoid congestion of the classrooms, thereby not rendering the children vulnerable to the pandemic. Professor Godswill Obioma, NECO registrar, while presenting the results to the minister, said that the examination was conducted under the supervision of external auditors. Obioma said that 16,714 candidates were absent for the examinations due to the EndSARS protests. Everything was monitored, supervised by external auditors. I would like to say that a total of 93,929 candidates registered for the examinations, out of which 70,580 sat and 16,714 were unavoidably absent. Following the profile of grading of marking, we would like to inform the minister that we have done the analysis based on states of domicile, origin, and other considerations, he said. The NECO boss said that generally speaking, the national merit cutoff mark is 142 and the least score is 2. From Lagos, this is Tina Timothy, News Express Nigeria Television.